everyone, and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So what I'm doing here is I'm peeling some garlic, and I do know how to peel garlic. I don't know why I chose to do it that way today. I just did. But I have a new contraption I'm going to try today. I'm actually a little concerned with how that contraption looks. Something my mom bought from a catalog. She's one of those ladies, she likes to buy a lot of things. So, she likes to buy a lot of stuff online. Well, not online, but from catalogs. So, anyway, let me see. Anyone ever use one of these? We actually have one of the original ones that's from Ronco. I was hoping I could find that and show it to you today. I don't know. What's that supposed to be like that? I don't know. Alright, so let's try this out. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. That's why I usually just stick with my knife. It goes this way. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's take that off. This came right off with it. Alright, so it's not too bad. There you go. Okay, but it also stuck on the blades. Alright, so now I'm going to get myself my pepper. Okay. You know, I almost want to do it without this. Maybe not. I don't think it's going to fit. I think I'm going to have to do two. Okay, so this is making it actually slower than me with my knife. Okay. Oh, great. Now this comes off fine. Okay, let me go ahead and do it without this cap. Maybe you're not supposed to use the cap. Okay, let me try this. Okay, that's pretty good. Let me get another one in there. Alright, you do this one. And I'm going to scrape everything off my cutting board. Didn't do anything with that one. Beating my counter to death. Look. That one's stuck still. Alrighty then. Maybe half at a time. Squishing. Okay, look, I still got big chunks of tomato. Alright, that's not bad. Let's do this one. Doesn't look like it did anything. Alright, 7 minutes so far. Alright, a little bit more. Cut some of these fibers. Alrighty. Now for my shallots. Shallots. I love shallots. Okay. Oh, we still got things that are not hot. I feel like I'm going to break it. Look, there's still a big piece.